Peter. Peter. Anyway, that's Peter. And this is Alice. Alice, come here. Alice. Nope. And this is Perfect. 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 Look at me. Good girl. Good boy. Why is it a good girl? Ren. 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 Hello, Ren. This is Blackjack. And this is Teddy Bear. That's Martin. That's Teddy. Nah, not Teddy because Teddy died. Anyway, he's the rarest guinea pig in the world. I don't see you can actually see him. Maybe he just looks blonde. And do this. Yes, this is kind of annoying, but I left it up. Martin! You can just see the black speck on him. We're going too closer. Martin! He's a bit scared of the camera. Martin! Hello! Oh, what? Look at. So there's Teddy and Martin and Blackjack. Oh, we'll take. That's Teddy's grave. Yeah, that's Splinter's grave. Teddy's grave. Templeton's grave. All of them are together in there. All brothers. Aww. They all hated each other. Yeah. I jumped over it. This is the hardest one. All of the girls. Oh, there's a fly over there. And where did they go? There we go. Pinky Queen. Pinky. This is Pinky. She has a Pinky. Stop it. She has a spot on her back. Perky. Come on, Perky. It's your turn now. Turn. I don't even want to have a go. Come on, you guys. Have a go. Perky. Come on, Perky. Makes I think that he's probably off the Perky and Pinky and Perky show. No, he didn't. That's her mum. She has the black spot on her. So that's how we know the difference. That's Perky. Now to have little Ellie. Ellie, come here. Ellie, 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 Ellie. Ellie, 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 Ellie. Ellie, hello Ellie. It's Ellie. It's Ellie. Now it's Pom Pom's turn. Come on, Pom Pom. This is her mum. Ellie's mum. Pom Pom. She'll just stay in my lap, like I don't know how to hold her. Well, off you go then. Off you go. No. By the way, this is Cracker. As you can see, I'm not here, and she just cries because she don't like being picked up. Cracker. We had her on Christmas, so that's why her name's Cracker. Plus, look, she has one black bit there, one white bit there. It's like a cracker, sort of. My mum called her. So now for Susie. Oh, the one I've used her down here. Oh, it's Susie. Come here. Susie. This is Susie. Susie, Susie, Susie. Susie. That's Pom Pom's sister. And then over here is Holly. And this is Cracker's sister. Hey, I haven't been used yet. This is Holly. That's Cracker's sister. She has a little kiss mark on her head from where my mum kissed her too much. She's all fluffy. There's the girl. Thomas's grave. That's my perfect. 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 This is Thomas's grave. That's my brother's rabbit's grave. Can't remember his name. That's Snowy's and Martin's grave. Snowy's the guinea pig to. Snowy's the dad to Ellie. The little one about there. About there. Yeah, that's her dad. And also the one over there, I'll show you him in a minute, the long-haired one from his house. His dad as well. And Martin's his hamster. That's Eddie's brother. This is. That's Eddie's brother. And he's got 2 girlfriends. Come here. Come here, Eddie's brother. Come here, Piggy. This is Piggy. He's a long-haired guinea pig. All of Susie's babies died, and they were the youngest litter, so I have no idea how that works. This is Biscuit. Biscuit, come here. Biscuit might be pregnant with just the babies, so I might need to do a new video soon. Come here, Sophie. This is Sophie. She's the most calm down one out of the 2. Out of Cracker and her. Because she likes being filmed and in pictures. Look at that. Come on, Biscuit. Come on, Biscuit. Come on. It's okay, Biscuit. Biscuit, it's okay. Biscuit, it's okay. Shh, shh, shh. She's a bit like Cracker. She didn't really like being picked up. He doesn't really like being filmed. This is Cracker. She may be having a baby. You've got to pick her up like that to make her be quiet. There you go. There you go. That wasn't so bad, was it?